Let's now prepare the openings for the doors here at our interior walls. So we need a door here, and likewise a door here. So for interior walls or doors, the opening is 760 millimeters wide. Okay, so it must be placed minimum 100 millimeters away from the adjacent wall. So similar to the exterior walls and also centered on the wall. But this time, this is how it's going to look like. So it's going to be a little bit smaller. The uh, opening is 760 and it is 100 millimeters away from adjacent walls. So let's go back here and start the offset command, right? So O space bar, offset by 100. Okay, I want to use this as my reference, so I'll offset that by 100 there and 100 here. Okay, and the offset command, this time we're going to offset it by 760. So spacebar again to restart the offset command, type 760 for the offset distance. I'm going to offset this by 760 to the left and then offset this by 760 to the right. Now, let's do that here as well. Spacebar, again to start the offset command. Let's start with 100. Okay, I'm going to offset this by 100. So it's 100 millimeters away. Spacebar to end the offset command, and then spacebar again to repeat the last command, which is offset. So this time I'm going to type 760 and then offset this by 760. Okay. So I have the distances. Now I'm going to use the trim command. So space bar, then TR. So space bar to end the last command, and then TR space bar to start the trim command. Hold down the shift key and extend. And one more time. Since there's a line here, so it only extended to that line first, and then I have to do it again to extend to the extent of the wall. So let's do that again. 1, 2. I'm holding down the shift key as I'm doing this. So instead of trimming, it is extending. Now I can trim this. Okay. Trim this. Right. There you go. Trim this. Oops, I forgot to. So let's undo that. I forgot to extend this. So let's hold down the shift key and extend it first, and then release the shift key, and then you can trim this. Now, do I want to trim this line? Yep, I can do that. So I'll just trim this line. So it gets disconnected from that nice line that we have there. Okay, that cleans it up, and then I can erase this. But while I'm at it, let me trim this door opening as well. So the door opening is right here. So I'm going to just click here and trim, click here and trim this and trim that as well. Trim this and trim that as well. So that's our wall, 100 millimeters away, and then that's the extent of the opening. Hit the space bar to end the process, E space bar to start the erase command, and then erase all of these excess lines. Space bar to accept. Oops, I missed this one here. So I can actually click it first and press the delete key. So that's the same as erasing. Okay, there you go. Those are the openings for the interior doors.